This is Dr.Brijesh, Jpnce College of Engineering, Mbnr, Head of the Department, H&S. This video answers the question how to do revision in one day for the examination. Here we shall complete the topic Debroglie hypothesis, matter waves. We know that light is a form of energy. It has got a dual nature, wave nature and particle nature. Particle means photons. So matter is also a form of energy. So according to Debroglie, nature is impartial. So matter should also possess particle nature. Matter, of course, if you consider electrons, protons, neutrons, they are having particle nature, and along with it, it should also possess wave nature. It means if electron is in motion, it must generate a wave, and that wave is actually called as a matter wave. And later on we are going to see that waves generated by a moving particle is actually showing diffraction pattern. So diffraction pattern is shown. It means definitely a particle in motion generates waves, and these waves are actually called as matter waves. Now, according to Debroglie, the wavelength associated with the matter wave is actually given by lambda is equal to h by mv, or m into v is nothing but momentum p. It can also be written something like h by under root 2 me, and further it can be reduced to 12.26 by root v into 10 power minus 10 meters. 10 power minus 10 meters is nothing but 1 angstrom. So we shall derive these things. We shall derive these relations. In case of photons, for example, in case of photons, which photons generally we know that it travels with the speed of light c. So we know E is equal to h nu. This nu we can write as c by lambda. Nu is c by lambda. We also know that E is equal to mc square. E is equal to mc square. So E is equal to mc square is equal to hc by lambda. C get cancels. So automatically lambda is equal to h by mc. So this is the expression for matter wave for case of photon traveling the velocity of light c. For a material body, generally they travel far less than the velocity of light c. So replacing c by v, we can write lambda is equal to h by mv. And we know that mv is momentum, so this can be written as h by p. Further, we know the kinetic energy. Suppose if I take kinetic energy as E, the kinetic energy is written as half mv square. Multiplying and dividing by m, we get half m square v square by m. So multiplying and dividing, so this we can write as p square by 2m. So we have kinetic energy E is equal to p square by 2m. So automatically p is equal to under root 2me. So substituting over here, so this expression can be written as h by under root 2me. So if we are given kinetic energy for the problem, we can use this formula. We know that W is equal to VQ, so where V is the potential difference. Suppose if a potential difference of V volt is applied to an electron of charge E, we are considering magnitudes, then the work done by the potential difference is converted into kinetic energy E. So this expression actually we can write as E is equal to VE. E is equal to VE. So we already know that lambda is equal to h by under root 2me. This is the expression. So replacing E by VE, we get h by under root 2mVE. So substituting the value of h Planck's constant 6.6 into 10 power minus 34, mass of the electron, and charge of the electron 1.6 into 10 power minus 19. So this actually it reduces to 12.26 by root v angstrom. Angstrom means 10 power minus 10 meters. So this is revision class for de Broglie hypothesis.